So next, we're going to walk through the process of setting up an AWS account. This will be useful for you as you go through each of the different courses within this path. So here within this demo, we are first going to be creating a new personal AWS account. We will then be activating the account. And finally, we will configure a budget alert so we can keep an eye on any charges that occur on our account. So let's dive in. So I'm here at the AWS homepage, which is aws.amazon.com, and you'll see in the top right there is an option to create an AWS account. I'm going to go ahead and click on that button. From here, I need to enter in an email address, then a password, and finally, an AWS account name. And then I'll hit continue. Now here on this next page, we need to select either a professional or a personal account type. In this case, I'm going to choose personal because I'm assuming most of you will just use a personal account to test AWS. So I need to enter in some additional information. Now that I have those things in place, I'm now going to check the option that says that I have read and agree with the overall customer agreement. Then, I'll create account and continue. Now from here, the next step will be to enter in a credit or debit card number. It's important to note here that AWS is a service that, using the resources, will cost you money. However, there are several services that fall under what we call the free tier, which allow you to try them out before you're actually charged for them. Now the next step we're going to take after we set up our AWS account is to set up a budget alarm so that you can make sure that there aren't any unexpected charges that end up on your AWS bill. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and enter a credit card number so that I can verify the account. I'll then hit verify and add. Now the next step is that we do need to confirm our identity. And so AWS gives you the option to either receive a text message or a voice call. In this case, I'll choose to have it just send me a text message. So first I need to enter in the cell phone number, and then enter in the numbers from the security check. From here, AWS will send me a 4-digit code. I can enter that code in and then hit verify. And now, my identity has been verified. The next step is to select a support plan. Now there are paid support plans that are available, and later on within this course we will dive through each of the different support tiers in detail. However, for now, you can simply select the basic plan, which is free. Once this is in place, we can now go to sign into the console. Next, we need to use the email address that we used when we created the AWS account. Then we can hit next. Then, we can enter our password and hit sign in. So now that we've ended up here in the console, we have created an AWS account and we have logged into the management console to be able to utilize it. Now before we do anything else, one of the first steps that we will take it to set up a budget alarm for our account. So I'm going to navigate here where you see my name, and then I'm going to select my billing dashboard. From here, I'll go to the left where it says budgets, and then we will create a budget. We'll just have this be a cost budget because in this case we're just concerned with the overall cost. And we want to call this our monthly budget. We want to have this be recurring, so even in future months it would let us know if it went over this amount. And we're going to say that there is just a budget amount here of $10. So in this case, it would let us know if it is approaching that budgeted amount. Once we have this in place, we can select configure alerts. We're going to have it notify us if it gets to be 80% of the budgeted amount, which in this case would be $8. Then, we can enter in the email contacts, and then from here we can simply select confirm budget. Now that we have this in place, we can now hit create. And now we've created a budget that will let us know if we get to within 80% of our budgeted amount during any single month. Now you obviously can adjust this value to be whatever you want it to be, and if you're only planning to leverage the free tier, you could choose to set this at $1 or $2 and then have it alert you if it reaches within 50% of that specific target. However, this will just make sure that there are no unexpected charges on your AWS account. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please take 1 second and press the button below, like, subscribe, and bell icon.